Imagine yourself back in 1006 and you witness the cosmic fireworks in the night sky. Only, it was a supernova, so bright in fact it was visible during daytime and witnessed by people around the world. This was a real phenomenon which occurred in April 17, 1006 and confused scientists around the world. So, what is a supernova? Short answer. A supernova is a massive explosion which occurs when a supermassive star reaches the end of its life, releasing all of its matter back into space. The long answer is a little bit more complex, in which it is a struggle between two forces that we will come back to later in the video. When it comes to supernova, there are mainly two types. The first type of supernova occurs when a massive star, 5 times the size of our own, reaches its final moment, in which the star will explode with a bang. These massive stars burn enormous amount of nuclear fuel in their core. This process creates a ton of energy which heats up the center of the sun. Heat also creates pressure, which helps prevent the star from collapsing. A star must always keep a constant balance between two forces. The gravity tries to squeeze the star into a small sphere, while the burning fuels create an outwards pressure. This outwards pressure resists the star's gravity and prevents the star from collapsing, but when the star runs out of fuel, it causes the star to cool down, decreasing the outwards pressure. The sudden decrease in outwards pressure causes gravity to collapse onto itself at immense speed. Picture a colossal star, 1,000,000 times Earth's mass, collapsing in on itself at 20% the speed of light, creating an epic explosion. A supernova. What's left is a super dense core and a glowing nebula, like the aftermath of a stellar fireworks display. A star 10 times the size of our own could create a super dense core, also known as a black hole, which we'll talk about in its separate video. Another way a supernova can be formed are when two stars orbits around each other, which consists of one white dwarf star and one large star. A white dwarf star is a dense core that failed to become a black hole. When a white dwarf collides or pulls too much matter from the star, it can explode, creating a supernova, which is exactly what happened to the supernova back in the year 1006. So, how rare are these supernova? Scientists believe that supernova occurs 2 to 3 times each century in galaxy like our own Milky Way, which allows scientists to study hundreds of supernova each year from other galaxies outside of Milky Way. The next bang! Our next massive supernova will happen to Betelgeuse, a superstar located 650 light-years away from Earth. It is thought to explode within the next 100,000 years. And when it does happen, we will be able to witness the spectacular beauty even during day.